Got another micro update. Actually, some parts have actually come in, which is cool. These will be the latches that I'm going to use for the battery box. They're actually overkill, but not bad for the price. Nice and thick metal, stamped metal. It is adjustable and you can lock it, which is cool. Anyway, the idea is to put it, which will actually work, right here. Now, I don't want to put it way down the bottom, only because it'll pull so much that I'll actually put more force on the top because it'll be teetering in the middle. So, I'm probably going to put it probably right there. That's close enough to the center, and I'll have enough bite here. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to drill holes and bolt it. Should be here tomorrow. I have some rivets coming in, and I'll basically rivet everything, and I'll go from there and to there. Well, I can't show you, but as you can see, it'll set like that on the box, and when I unlatch it, this will be part of the box basically, which isn't too bad. I could have it the other way around, but it would be difficult. This works out better. Once I got the proper size, I'll adjust it here or even cut it. It's pretty cool though. I mean, you can leave the battery on the bike and lock it up. Not that I would, but these are kind of cool little latches. I went ahead and learned how to properly wrap plastic, which I think I did a pretty good damn job considering the dimensions of it. It's nice and clean. Figured out the trick to getting the corners. Hot air, a lot of smoothing out and stretching, and on the corners what I do is I cut it, but cut it in so I could fold it over, and yeah, it turned out pretty good. It looks, you know, I guess factory anyway. So I got the front light done, I got that done there. You can actually buy chunks of carbon fiber to as a spacer, legitimate ones. The pedals are done, that's done, and I don't think I'm going to do any more. Oh, I did this here, got bored. Anyway, I think that's good enough. Once I get some more battery parts in, we'll get started on the batteries and wiring it up. I'm not even going to finish the wiring right now. Tomorrow we'll be drilling and tapping holes and riveting. I'll do an update, or I'll do a short video when it's finished. But like I said, you don't want it pulling from the bottom because it'll, as you can see, it sort of defeats the purpose of doing it. Right here should be good because it's basically squishing it down in the middle, and we don't need it at the top. So, but once the top front, this side and that side's done, this thing is bulletproof. It won't fall off. The one thing I was worried about was these hooks. Like, they're not made out of plastic. It's kind of plastic and carbon fiber, so they can take some abuse. But I don't like the design. The spring that's in this little release lever here, they put it over top of the hinge, so the actual material is thinner right at the top where it needs to be thicker. And they're both like that, and they're under pressure constantly, so that is definitely a failure spot right there. Not on this side, more on this side where the hinge is, so you can see it. You can see that. Bad design. So once those are on, there's just no way it's going to fall off. It's not going to move at all. It'll probably crack, and it wouldn't even move. I'll probably find the crack once I go to take it off. But I don't need a $600 battery flying around down the street in a container to get hit by a car. So that's about it. Not much has been going on other than that. I might make a video when I'm actually installing these. I don't know. Anyway, take it easy.